Show me a video, Karan. Now it's because you have said it something.
Yes, absolutely.
You're not dealing with some spokesperson of a party. Nobody, no journalist, nobody can intimidate me. I stand by what I say.
I am not confident to you of this.
As confident as I could be.
तो कैसे हैं दोस्तों, एक बार फिर से प्रशांत किशोर जी इंटरनेट पे छाए हुए हैं, लेकिन इस बार एक गलत दावा के कारण फंसे हुए हैं। और दावा गलत है कि सही है, ये 4 जून को हम लोग को पता चलने वाला है। अक्सर माना जाता है कि प्रशांत किशोर सही होते हैं अपने डाटों के साथ। मैंने क्या कहा? अक्सर माना जाता है, हमेशा नहीं। बात है प्रशांत किशोर जी अभी गुच्छों में इंटरव्यू दे रहे हैं। अभी हालिया इंटरव्यू में जो कि द वाइड के साथ दिए थे, उसमें कंट्रोवर्सी सामने आया है करण थापड़ जी के साथ। 2024 के जो आउटपुट आने वाले हैं उस पे विश्लेषण कर रहे हैं सब लोग अभी, जिसमें करण थापड़ जी ने पूछा कि क्या आपके अकॉर्डिंग क्या लगता है किनकी माहौल गर्म हो रही है, तो उन्होंने कहा कि हाँ वही बीजेपी। तो इन्होंने पूछा कि कितने सीट आ रहे हैं, तो उन्होंने बताया, यानी कि पीके ने बताया कि 303 सीट तो फिक्स है, लेकिन उससे ज्यादा हो सकती हैं 10 से 15 सीट। तो करण थापड़ जी ने पूछा कि आप जो ये बोल रहे हैं ग्राउंड पे तो नहीं दिख रहा है, तो आप किस बेस पे बोल रहे हैं ये बात? और ऐसा नहीं है कि आपका बोला हुआ हर बात सही होता है। वो हिमाचल प्रदेश को लेके बोल रहे थे कि हिमाचल प्रदेश में आपने प्रेडिक्ट किया था कि यहाँ पे बीजेपी की सरकार बनेगी, लेकिन बनी कांग्रेस की। तो इस पे प्रशांत किशोर जवाब देते हैं कि शो मी अ वीडियो, मैंने जो बोला है वो वीडियो मुझे दिखाओ। तो दोस्तों इनका जो बोला हुआ है उनका वीडियो नहीं है, क्योंकि वो उन्होंने ट्वीट करके बोला था, तो वो वीडियो कैसे दिखाएंगे? इस पे थोड़ा बहुत तू मैं हो गया।
How confident are you of this?
As confident as I could be.
What does that
I
mean?
have ever been.
I'll tell you why
I listen, Karan. I'm not in the business
No.
of predicting
I'll tell you why I
in
asked
my
that
life.
question. I'll tell you why I asked that question. How confident are you? Because in May 2022, you predicted that Congress would be routed in Himachal. It won. In September
Did I?
2023, yes,
Did I?
you're on record.
Wait, where?
You're on record. We've got it.
No, but this is last time also. You are always trying to create a hypothesis and trying to put it on the guest
It's
side.
no, I'm not creating a hypothesis. It was
Show me a video, Karan. Now it's because you have said it something.
Yes, absolutely.
You're not dealing with some spokesperson of a party. If you show me a video of me telling that Congress will be routed in Himachal, a video.
in May 2022.
Hear me out. If you show me, I will quit the job, or you apologize publicly on the camera.
I have.
Show me the video where I've said that Congress will be routed in
Does it
Himachal
have to be
on video.
Just a second. Does it have to
Hear
be
me
a
out.
video?
Don't try
hang on
to
a second.
pin
I'm
down
not.
this.
Hang on a
No,
second.
I'm not letting you go out of this. No, I'm not letting you go out of
You don't have
this.
to let me get out of it.
No,
I am-
no, you see when
Can I
when
finish?
you, no,
Can
no,
I
you
finish?
cannot. You
No,
cannot.
hang on a second.
When
Can
you
I
are
finish?
when you are interviewing a person and you proud, you take great pride in being factual.
I am
and
being
please
factual.
stick to the fact.
You haven't even let me finish.
Show me the video.
Prashant
Release
Kishore.
it on the wire
Prashant
where
Kishore.
Prashant Kishore has said that
Does
Congress
it
will.
have to be a video?
Yes.
Why can't it be something to say to a newspaper?
I don't know. Newspaper can write anything. You can write anything. Show me where I've said this. Show me where
there
I've
are
said this.
loads of things that are written by newspapers.
I don't count.
And it has been a
no,
newspaper.
you can't. I go from here, and what you write in your news publication is none of my business. What I say, show me that words. If I have said that Congress will be routed in Himachal in 2022, I am saying on camera, on record, that I quit what I do. But if you are wrong and trying to put your perception in my as my statement, then please
Let me
be
put
man
it-
enough to say sorry about it.
Forgive me. I am always man
No,
enough to
no,
tell. Let me
don't-
finish
don't
now.
do this.
Let me finish without your raising your voice.
No,
Let
don't do
me
this.
finish
Don't do
without your
this,
interrupting
Karan.
me.
You are not
Let
going
me
to- you are not going to
finish without
intimidate
your
me.
interrupting me.
You are
I
not
am
going to
always man
intimidate
enough
me.
to accept my mistake.
You have
I
made a
accept it
mistake.
frequently.
You have already made a mistake.
However, I am
You have already made a mistake.
I am quoting what has been
You have
in
made
the
a
newspapers
mistake.
and what has been
You have
on
made a
websites.
mistake.
I have not made
You
a
have
mistake.
made a
I am
mistake.
quoting what has been
Just-
in newspapers
just-
and on websites, and I'll repeat what they
just
said. That in
rewind.
May 2022, you are quoted as having said Congress will be
Okay.
routed in Himachal.
Keep
In
saying.
September 2023, you are quoted as having said BRS would win Telangana, and it did not. Those are the reasons why I said, how confident are you this time round? Because according to newspapers,
I don't owe
according
it to
to
you.
websites, you were wrong on that occasion.
Okay.
You can raise your voice, so can I.
Oh, you
It
please
doesn't
raise.
serve any purpose.
Please
at all.
raise. Please
I'm
raise.
not raising it.
Please raise.
And let me add on.
Please
I
raise.
am never
Please raise.
embarrassed in accepting a mistake.
Do
Mistakes are
not
human,
try to
they happen.
intimidate me.
But I have not in this
Do
instance
not
made a
try
mistake.
to intimidate
I'm
me.
not trying to
You will not
intimidate
be able to
you. You were
intimidate
trying to
me.
intimidate me.
You will nobody, no journalist, nobody can intimidate me. I stand by what I say.
I am
and
not
you have already
trying to
backtracked on
intimidate you.
camera.
You're the one who raised your voice.
You
I
said.
followed you.
You said that I have said this. Show me the video.
Okay.
Show me the video or apologize.
It's interesting
No.
that you reacted the way you did. That itself will be of interest.
और फिर से जो है योगेंद्र जी के साथ द वायर इंटरव्यू लेते हैं और योगेंद्र जी जो बोलते हैं वो प्रशांत किशोर जी के बोले हुए से पूरा विपरीत था।
जी अपने 35 साल के तजुर्बे के आधार पे मैं पक्के तौर पे कहने को तैयार हूँ कि बीजेपी की 272 सीट कतई नहीं आ रही। बीजेपी को कम से कम 50 सीट का नुकसान मुझे तो दिखाई दे रहा है। आमतौर पे मैंने देखा है प्रशांत किशोर भी अपने राजनीतिक रुझान को अलग रख के, अपनी प्रेफरेंसेस को अलग रख के मूल्यांकन करने की कोशिश करते हैं। और मैंने ये देखा कि उन्होंने भी कहा कि देखिए मोदी जी की छवि में डेंट लगा है। वो कह रहे हैं राम मंदिर उस तरह का इशू नहीं, वो कह रहे हैं उस तरह, और बीजेपी के अगेंस्ट एक तरह का एंटी इनकम्बेंसी है। लेकिन बीजेपी की सीट 303 से बढ़ेगी। ये बात तर्कसंगत नहीं लगती, लेकिन वो इसका तर्क देते।
हालांकि दोनों एक दूसरे को रिस्पेक्ट करते हैं, लेकिन दावा किनका सही है वो हम लोग को 4 जून को पता चलने वाला है। अब लास्ट चरण बचा हुआ है मतदान का, 25 का भी हो गया था, हाल ही में दिल्ली में भी इलेक्शन हो गया। अब तो थोड़ा सा ठहर जाते हैं, जान लेते हैं कौन सही है कौन गलत है। आपको क्या लगता है कमेंट में जरूर बताना कौन सही है और कौन गलत। हालांकि प्रशांत किशोर जी अभी भी झुके नहीं है, वो अभी भी मान रहे हैं कि उनका बात सही है। जब वो इंटरव्यू के दौरान गए थे यहाँ से, तब भी वो अपने ऑफिशियल इंस्टाग्राम पे देखे ये पोस्ट करते हैं।
मैंने पकड़ा एक रिपोर्टर को, बोला संभाल अपने सूत्रों को।
ये सुन के बताए रिपोर्टर क्या बोला?
Forgive me. Forgive me.
I don't know, newspaper can write anything, you can write anything. I go from here and what you write in your news publication is none of my business.
सूत्रों के अनुसार